Today we have the next gen MG Hector with us. Let's see what makes this car a better one in this segment. Let's start off talking about the design. Looks are something that is subjective, but for me personally, I like how the MG Hector looks now because of this massive grille in the front. Now it comes with a chrome finish with the diamond cuts all throughout the front bumper, which makes it look much more bolder and better compared to other cars in this particular segment. So let's talk about the next big thing. This car is equipped with a massive 14-inch infotainment screen that is also bigger than some of the laptops that you guys use, and also by far the biggest infotainment system provided in any car in this price segment. So you might be wondering what makes this car value for money. Well, it is packed with features. You have got a massive sunroof, you have got ADAS for safety features, you have got a 360 camera that helps you maneuver easily, and let's not forget how spacious and luxurious the interiors makes you feel. So let's talk about the ownership and maintenance cost. Well, the MG Hector comes with two variants. The maintenance cost per kilometer for a petrol variant comes up to 68 paisa, and the maintenance cost per kilometer for the diesel variant comes up to 77 paisa. Well, this is still very affordable compared to other cars in this segment. So to talk about the pricing, this car's price range starts from 15 lakhs and goes all the way till 22 lakhs. And not just that, it clearly wins in almost all the aspects. It has got a very nice exterior look, your interiors are very spacious and comfortable, it has got features over features over features, and not just that, the maintenance cost is also very affordable. Overall, this car is a very fun to drive car in your city as well as your highways. That's it about the MG Hector. Let us know what you think about this car down in the comment section. See you all in another such video. This is Harshvardhan signing off.